Perfect. Just one cup. Two.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Birds are supposed to get on this thing here. I was not expecting this. I don't know if I want birds on my arm. Pardon me. Sorry. Sorry. I'm trying to video this experience.
Here we go. Now they're gonna get on.
Hold up.
Ready?
The thing says they might bite. Chris. Oh my gosh.
Here comes one right now.
Ah.
It's gonna attack us.
What? Stop saying that.
Baby. Come on, baby. Come here. Oh. Come here, baby. You like it? Oh, okay. You gotta share with other birds.
I need a bird. There's only one bird in here.
Here comes one for you.
Crystal, you're on my dress.
Oh, sorry. Look, there's one. He's gonna get you.
How freaking cute is that?
Okay, get off. Let me
his
save
little
some for
tongue.
another bird.
Look. Look at his tongue. Oh my gosh, now I want a parrot.
Save some for another one.
He won't go. No, Crystal, don't touch it. She's trying to get me hemmed up. Oh shoot. Crystal, look. They're fighting now. They're like fighting each other. Oh, it's humid here. Hi, this is Tiff Travels the World from Busch Gardens in Tampa, 2023. Come down here. I got banned from live, so I'm going to post a video. I got banned because I talked about Pablo Escobar, which I was at his grave site, that's all. But anyways, Tampa Bay has it going on, guys. Yay! Look at her little tongue. What a pretty bird. What a pretty bird. Oh my gosh, there's a big... What are you drinking? I don't even know what he's drinking, but... So cute. He's like talking about it. Okay, guys. You're just gonna drink all that liquid? Crystal, take a picture of me. So humid. Look at me sweating. Probably because we just got off of the ride called the Tigress and almost died. My brain was all disheveled. Thank you. I guess this is my bird for the day. Because he's not going anywhere. I wonder if those big birds come up here or if it's just a parrot. She said, come on, baby. Did you almost spill your whole thing? This guy is just with me. You're so pretty. Don't y'all start fighting again. He's biting me! Get it off! Okay. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Why the heck? He was biting me because he wanted the other bird off of him. What the heck? You little ass. Oops, sorry, y'all.
Look how I moved away. Oh.
Crystal, don't be leaving your bird back here for me. Dang, he was really biting me. Dang, you drank all the drink already? Okay, we're done. Bottoms up. Let me throw this in the trash over here. Oh. So Florida is amazing, guys. It's just very humid compared to Las Vegas, where I live, where there's no humidity. Phone where I can go live and switch back and forth. Aren't they beautiful?
Hey, you get it on my own.
Did he bite you?
No, you get one on your own.
They bit me.
Yeah, they bit me.
They bit me too. It doesn't hurt that bad, guys, but it was like shocking because you think you're going to get bit harder. Oh.
Oh, look at these two making out in the bushes. Look.
to make. Aren't they beautiful, guys? Wow, they're so pretty. They're so pretty, right? We're gonna go now. That was fun, huh? Tiff travels the world. Busch Gardens 2024.